What's up, guys? About the channel. Listen, it's been a while since I've been on here freshly. You know, ever since the Danger Ranger and everything like that, kind of got just thrown off and come back and just work my ass off, just trying to make back money from the race, which, you know, as you all know, the race never happened. The hurricane came through and basically, thankfully, it didn't hit as hard as they said it was going to hit. As a flood-wise, thankfully, because like I said, the house we were in, we left, we were going to stay and just ride out the storm, blah, blah, and then, you know, if we can help out afterwards, we're going to help out, but the house we were staying at was in the flood zone to begin with, but it was towards like the top of the flood zone, so like C was right behind the house. So we're like, all right, listen, it's like level C is right behind us. They're evacuating A and B, but we're right on the edge of C, and the neighbors around us were saying that yeah, they're fine. Like they never seen flooding, especially right where our house was at. Now after, you know, the last minute thing was like, all right, A, B, and C is being evacuated. Now it's because it was a Category 5 hurricane, this, that. They didn't really know if it was going to hit as of, they said it was going to hit as 3, but there was still a risk of it hitting as higher. So at that point, we just, you know, we had 2 dogs, you know, wasn't really risking, you know, flooding with 2 dogs and stuff like that. So we got out of there, you know, and then we just drove back. I think it was Tuesday night. I think Tuesday we drove back and we drove all the way through the night and stuff. So got out of there, came back home, and like I said, parked Rango right where it's at right now. Is right where she's been parked since we got back. Same with the semi-truck, which some updates on everything. There's gonna be updates on everything going here, guys. So listen, right now I'm just doing laundry, organizing the room a little bit here, and then we're gonna go outside, get ready to move off that trailer, and I'll give you guys updates on everything that's going on and everything that's gonna be happening hopefully in the next 2 months, because Danger Ranger is happening. I'll let you guys know in a second. All right, let's go outside. Come on, babies. Let's go. Let's go out there. Come on. Going over for a view. Alright, so after I just did stuff in my house to organize some stuff, I finally got a free day of no work or anything, so now I'm gonna go out here. Now I was gonna take the Rango off the trailer, but the problem is I don't have the hitch to connect the trailer, so can't do that. But we can go over here, talk about Rango a little bit and see what's going on. Rango right here. So Danger Ranger has been moved to February 22nd, I believe it is. So we're gonna be going. I'm gonna try to go. Hopefully, I'm planning to go, but you know, financially, hopefully, I can recover from the last travel package, because that put a really big dent, especially for no return on anything. So it kind of sucks on that point, but we're gonna figure it out. But Rango, as of now, she's pretty much good. The only thing I gotta do is just replace her shocks, which is simple, and we just gotta freaking jack this thing up. Just so this thing's a little less closer to the tire. That's like right next to the tire. So we're gonna put a jack right here and just go right up and just bend this bumper back to where it should be at. Which bumper came out pretty good. I don't think you guys can see the bumper yet, but put the bumper on. Is it on center? Maybe not. Maybe a little bit. I don't know. It's a little wonky. It's a little wonky, girl. But as long as it runs and drives is all that matters. Still gotta do alignment. Alignment's 100% thing you gotta do to this girl. Other than that, really not much, but I do gotta get the thing off the trailer and cover it up so nothing. I'm in Jersey. The drought right now, it's been 2 months without rain, so yeah, I worried about covering her, but the leaves did fall on her. I had to clean her out with the leaves, but not a big issue. PD here, as you know, we were trying to get this done before the Danger Ranger, which still, as you can see, it's still sitting here with the original motor in it. Now this company, I am fed up with it. It took freaking so long. So it's been taking so long just to get a freaking answer of like, when is the motor gonna be here? When's the motor gonna be here? And now we'll send it out this week. And it's not. It's this week, then this week, then this week. I went like 2 weeks without contact, and then eventually I just sent a very long message saying, "Hey, I want my money back. I want this motor. I got my money back." Blah blah. Sorry, sick for 2 weeks. I'm like, blah, whatever. I'm like, fine, listen, like, I just want the motor. Just give me the motor. This is 3 weeks ago now, probably. So maybe a month ago, to be honest with you. But now it might be a month ago. But yeah. So after that, they said, all right, we'll stay in contact. So they've been staying in contact. Maybe a little off here and there sometimes, but whatever it is, motor's getting shipped out. Hopefully today or tomorrow. Probably tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow. Hopefully we can just get this thing here, because they said it's gonna be here. They said it's all ready to ship. Just needs to be shipped out. It's all packaged and everything apparently now. So 10,000, 11,000, 13,000, whatever hell of a freaking amount it was. A lot of money just to be sitting there and doing nothing. So But yeah, other than that, truck's doing good. We kind of installed some of our amenities. So we got a fridge and freezer there, coffee maker there. We got a television here. We got inverters here. Actually, I'm plugged to the inverter, so it's not. Shut up. Got inverters here. We got wire up and stuff. This one's get directly connected to the battery. Don't know if we're gonna use this one, but you got TV that works off DC and AC. What else is going on here? Yeah, nothing really in here. The only thing I got is I wired in that thing, which I still gotta put a grommet in. As you can see right here, we got the, this thing here going out there. So that's good there. Just gotta, call it? Put the grommet in, which I have the grommet, I just gotta put it in. So that, yeah, really nothing much with this girl, because like I said, until we get the, oh, that's right. Dude. There we go. Alright, yeah, so nothing really going on with her except for that. We do gotta replace this brake chamber, because this brake chamber's bad, so I gotta, replace that. It's leaking. Other than that, we got Frank over here. Frank is doing good. We needed some suspension work on her rear end, because there's some issues that I need to situate on the bottom. Other than that, motor, everything good. She runs and drives. I was started up. I don't feel like having neighbors being called over by a loud ass car, so I can start it up right now, but she's good. I was planning on, we might drag race her, not next weekend, but the following weekend. I'm not sure. We may go to the strip and just run her down the strip, maybe. All depends if we can, time-wise and stuff like that. No, I have so many freaking plans and parties I go to for family and friends. Freaking bonkers. I'm tired of it. So yeah, listen, my mom's car here tomorrow. I gotta go get parts for her. So we got my mom's car here. We gotta also get parts for this tomorrow. I gotta go down and pay for them. They were closed today, so whatever. I gotta go down tomorrow, just after I get done with my window cleaning business stuff, and just get the parts I need for this thing, which they have it all. They don't have it. I just gotta go there, pay for it, and then they'll get it shipped out to here. So however it goes, this is gonna be getting done soon. Get it out of the house. Don't want to hear anymore. It needs to be gone. Yeah, so other than that, listen, that's kind of update on the whole freaking yard here. Nothing, like I said, nothing really too much happening right now, because like I said, it's just work, and right now I'm in a thing with the business, and a bunch of things I'll explain later on, and also, try to explain some things. I have some decent little plans I have, hopefully for the next 2 months. Hopefully we're gonna have a month and a half of total content, maybe. If my one plan works out, we'll have a whole 2 months of literally Danger Ranger content, a month and a half. Who knows? Could happen. But I won't explain that until we come to that day. So, until I get it all situated. So like I said, guys, listen, other than that, that's pretty much it for this video. Just give you guys a little update. I haven't been on camera for a while, so decided to get a video out there also. And like I said, not much of an entertaining video, but, give you guys an update. You guys updated in the life of Freddie and me. So on that note, guys, listen, I'm gonna end the video off here. If you guys enjoyed the video, oh, Milo, what? What, my? Rawr, rawr, rawr. Oh, rawr, rawr, rawr. Rawr, rawr, rawr. You alright? Okay, yes, he got his point of view. I'll shoot across, but yeah, so as I was saying, listen, guys, if you want to enjoy the video, if you enjoy the video, please like down below. Comment below any content you want to see be done with Frank or friggin' Rango, or what you guys want me to with the friggin' semi truck. Anything you want to see specifically done on it, let me know. Subscribe to the channel, do what it takes to follow dreams, don't let me anyway. I'll see you guys in the next one.